So if you guys have seen any of my previous videos, you know that the Jeep is pretty loud when it's running. And there's an exhaust leak somewhere. So today I thought I would try the vacuum up the exhaust trick and see if I can figure out where the leak is coming from. So I thought I'd take you along for that journey. I got the shop vac hooked up to the exhaust. Turn that on. Even without spraying any soapy water down here, you can hear air leaking. I'm not even taking the air filter box off, or the air box off. But I'm gonna spray some soapy water on the front of the exhaust just to see what happens. So, never mind the fact that there's a bolt missing in the middle of the manifold. I saw that earlier. It's probably leaking there too, but I think it's pretty safe to say that the manifold gasket for sure is leaking, and it wouldn't surprise me if there's a crack or rust hole in the manifold itself. So on the docket coming up sometime soon is going to be exhaust manifold replacement, gasket replacement. Alright, so first, if you've never heard of the vacuum up the exhaust technique before, I hadn't either until I started researching how to find your exhaust leak. So I put a link to a video that I found useful. It's pretty straightforward when you think about it. Anyway, I took the air box off just because I was curious to see how much a leak there really is. You can see there's a bolt missing here, and yeah, you can hear the air coming out. So let's give it some more squirts and see what happens. So I think there's a little bit of a leak there where the bolt is missing. Yeah, so going to be a fun little project. So the whole manifold is leaking pretty bad, so hopefully it'll sound a lot quieter once we get it all replaced in the near future. So that was just a quick video to go with me trying to figure out where the exhaust leak's coming from. Another video to go through the process of actually trying to replace the manifold. And if you want to watch how that transpires, subscribe to the channel, and it'll be coming up in the near future.